my channel. I'm kind of having a sad day today, but I thought I'd make a video for you guys because it's fun to make videos, so yeah. And today I'm going to be trying some Japanese makeup. I have a blush and an eyeshadow, and we're going to try it with a cute makeup look. So I hope you enjoy. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. So both of these are really cute. Oh my gosh, it's shining. No, stop. Perfect. As you can see, beautiful. So both of these are really cute. I was so excited to try this. I've never tried makeup from Japan, but it's super kawaii. And I've got a little sparkly blush here with little roses and a tiny little brush. It's so cute. Wish makeup companies would put cute little brushes in with their makeup. That's so cute. And some purple eyeshadow. This one's called Jewelry Shadow Veil. These are both from Can Make Tokyo. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start and do a full face of makeup up until the blush part, and I will start with blush for you guys. So I went ahead and put on my foundation, concealer, and contour and got ready to try this super cute pearlescent blush. Okay, it's time to try the blush. I'm gonna go wash my hands because they're covered in makeup, and we will open up the blush and give it a try. Oh my gosh, the audacity. I forgot to turn on my Little Pony lights. So let's open up this blush. So it looks like it's covered with a bit of plastic. I wonder if we just... Whoop! Well, that was a sticker that came off of it. There's some plastic here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get that off somehow. Don't do this at home, kids. Ah. No, don't do that at home. Don't try that. Don't do that! Just don't. So here it is outside of its packaging. Oh, it's shining again. No glare! So pretty. One of my favorite things about this Japanese makeup is the little details. Okay, I bet you it just pops up like that. And the little brush even comes with packaging, which is bad for the environment, but pretty cute. Yeet. Okay. Okay. So I guess we just dig in. I hate to mess this up though. Look how pretty that is. Oh, alright, I'll just go for like, there's several different shades here, so I'll go for this right hand corner one and just lightly, and then, well, that did much of nothing. Guess I have to actually get in there. There we go. There, that's pretty cute. Oh, I gotta put that little brush back in there because it's so stinking cute. So yeah, let's go ahead and try the eyeshadow because that's usually what's next. I'm very pink right now. I love it. We're gonna go ahead and open the eyeshadow. So this also has a I wonder if any of my subscribers can read Japanese. What's they say? I don't know. So here is, it's so cute. The compartment's even cuter. Once again, super duper cute and purple. So I'm gonna put some on my eyes. And I may mix it with a few other colors, but first let's try this eyeshadow. Let me get a clean eye brush. Ooh, look at that shimmer! Ah! So cute! Of course, you're supposed to put on the base shade first, I guess. Here, let me try something else. Let me put like a base color down. We don't use this palette a lot. Now, we can go ahead and put this little tiny jewelry shadow veil. Oh, I already got makeup on it! Figure my skirt. Ah, sheesh. Where the heck did that come from? Now, oh yes. So this is like a top layer over eyeshadow. Kind of like my Little Pony moon dust thing. You know what I'm talking about? You probably don't, unless you've been watching my videos for a long time. talking about this thing, I like to use this over top of shadow. So this thing are kind of the same thing. Well, I used to use them for the same thing. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and finish this look. And I'll tell you what I guys think of. I don't even know. I'll tell you what I think. It's so far definitely adorable. So yeah, then I went ahead and finished up the eyeshadow look with 2 eyeshadow palettes and eyeliner and mascara. And here I am being a goof, showing you guys. And to finish it off, I'm just gonna use this lip gloss because it tastes like Fruity Loops. It's next. So yeah. Anyway, guys. Thanks for watching. All in all, I say Japanese makeup is really cute. This isn't all of Japanese makeup, of course. I will definitely buy some of this again. I put some of the sparkly stuff on my nose. So yeah, they're super cute. I love that it has a little brush with it. The detail, attention to detail is really adorable. So please remember to hit that subscribe button, comment and like. Check out my other videos. And yeah, because I work hard on these and you guys like it. So.